All right, welcome to Module 9. This is our last module in 7th grade. Make sure you get your name on here. And our start date is the 17th. There's only 2 lessons. It's pretty short. So let's dive in. All right, here's our pre-module review. Our objective is that I can understand pi and identify the parts of a circle. Pi is an important number that we are going to use a lot. We talked about this briefly at Pi Day way back in March when we ate pi. Pi is spelled P-I. We use this symbol. You're going to see that a lot. It kind of looks like almost like a building. There's wall, and a roof. And pi is worth 3.14159265359, and it keeps going forever. There is no end to pi. We commonly use 3.14 as the value. So, where the heck does pi come from? Pi is just how many diameters you need to make the circumference of a circle. And again, we use 3.14 as our common value for pi. Gives us a pretty close estimate. We don't need, for most of the math we can do, we don't need more than 2 decimal places to get close to the answer. So we need 3 diameters plus a little bit more to make the circumference. What the heck do these words mean? Let's find out. All right, you see there's a blue circle here. The blue circle, this is the circumference. There's my really not so great circle. This is circumference. It's just a fancy word that basically means the perimeter of the circle. If this were your yard and you were building a fence around your yard, the fence would be the length of the circumference. This orange line right here is the diameter. It's how far across the circle is from one side through the middle to the other side. And lastly, we have the radius, this green line here, which is from the edge to the center. So it is half of the diameter. So if we take this orange line and we were able to copy it and peel it up, we could fit 1, 2, 3, and a little bit more around to make the circumference. And that's where we get pi from. All right, you're going to go ahead and dive in, do 9.1.